consulting, how have you decided to proceed? You now have a council, or you want to proceed on your own, or that is the only thing. Yes.
So you want to see the photos I was detained?
Yes,
With a different offense that was not indicated in the summons. Because the offense in the summons, Your Honor, was I don't have a copy of the summons, Your Honor, but I think the description has it.
okay.
They are supposed to be charged as the summons or to give information or to record a statement on an offense undermining a public officer, contrary to section 132, and incitement to violence. But they decided to charge me with an offense of assault. And assault, according to them, that happened even before I took plea on this case, in this particular case I'm facing. And assault that's happening as per the allegations, May 2019.
Yes.
So I was detained, despite the offense being bailable, assault. I was denied police bail and blocked I was in court yesterday. I denied the charges. The prosecution objected to my release on bail. So the ruling is tomorrow, Your Honor.
So you are detained till tomorrow.
Yes, Your Honor.
Which court?
Kiambu.
Just compose yourself. Speak to compose yourself.
I need at least a week or two to consult with Dr. Camino, and then we can proceed with this matter, Your Honor. Maybe Mr. Nyama. We have not had enough time, Your Honor, to consult. So I need more time, Your Honor. Based on my current position, I've been in custody.
Don't cry, don't cry.
I can't cry, though. I'm always emotional, Your Honor.
Compose yourself. I need more time.
Yeah, I'm praying for more time. I can consult with Dr. Camino and other lawyers so that we can proceed with this matter, Your Honor. I'm not trying, Your Honor. It's very painful, Your Honor.
So you're shedding tears. So
Thank you, Your Honor.
that is all.